Hello, guys. Welcome back to the knowledge world. So, we are covering different topics in all videos. Here, we are going to cover the different topic like we have been talking, and I'll be putting my speed little bit slow because I got request to be slow in my videos. So, let's talk about the text terms here. Tax terms, what are there? Like those terms where we are like we work in the US on some terms like W2 cop to cop, or like on the method of the payment, like the our employer or our company, or we are going to work on that. So what is cop to cop? Like C2C we say in short, and cop to cop is the full form. It is a type of tax terms. Cop to cop is done when the candidate has a different employer, and the employer will be taking care of taxes of candidate. What does it mean? Like there is a company and one candidate who will be working somewhere, like any client, TCS, Wipro, any client he'll be working, but his payroll would be taken care by any another company, abc.com, like that. They'll be taking care of his taxes and all. When we will be doing cop to cop with the employer of the candidate, is in that case we don't need to worry about the taxes of the candidate. So for example, I'm a company, I'm taking one candidate from market, and he is coming on my cop to cop rate, so it means I'm dealing with his employer. So the tax part of that candidate will be taken care of his employer. So that is cop to cop. In case if you have questions regarding that, so still you can reach me. I would try to help you out. You can reach me on my comments part, or you can reach me on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn you need to search in my videos. And the second one is, what is W2? W2, it's a type of tax term. When we are doing W2 with a candidate, it means that we need to pay his her taxes, which means that we are the employer of the candidate or consultant. So as I told in the previous cop to cop thing, that company candidate is working on the different company on their payroll, so it means that company is working with on the W2 term with that candidate. Okay, so here don't be confused. Cop to cop and W2 both are different things. I'll be giving you one example too. So W2 means like the direct company is a company where the candidate is working on the W2, or the payroll company is taking the candidate on their payroll. Okay, and then we come to the difference of the cop to cop and W2, as it would be coming to the mind, because like we have confused ourselves already. So let's clear that confusion. In W2, we are the employer of the candidate, so we will pay the taxes. That's very clear. In cop to cop, some other vendor is the employer of the candidate, so he will pay the taxes of the candidate, and we do not need to worry. So here I'm just giving an example. There is the candidate by the name of Jackson who is looking for the job, and he works with the TCS, and he goes there, but he says I am going to work on cop to cop term. So it means TCS will hire him through one agency. Their terms together of two corporations would be called cop to cop, because that candidate coming is from that ABC company to TCS. Now let's come to the W2 part. TCS is having one position, and this candidate Jackson is working directly with the TCS without having any another layer or company in mid. So he'll be working on the W2 if they are running the payroll of that candidate. So let's come to the, I hope like that would be clear. In case if you are having any doubts, you can reach me. Now let's come to the 1099 part. It is a type of tax term too, where a candidate should be a US citizen or green card holder, and they'll be paying their own taxes. They pay their own taxes. They may be having their own corporation. On the basis of that, they do the like all pay cycles and all, and they'll be paying their taxes, and they'll be asking TCS directly, hey, I'll be working on 1099 with you. Like next question is, can a US citizen or green card holder will do cop to cop if he is not having any employer? A US citizen or green card who don't have an employer can do cop to cop with us, provided that he has some registered on his name. Like If he has any like corporation on his name, he can do cop to cop as well. On the basis of that same corporation, he can do 1099. What all visas can do W2? Visas except H1 and L1, all are can do like W2. I have mentioned in the green. US citizens, green cards, H4 EAD, L2 EAD, green GC EAD, OPT EAD. I hope that sounds good. In case it is not, so you can reach me always. Like I have been getting people, they are finding me on LinkedIn. I don't know how, like from videos, obviously they reach, but one or two got my number too. I don't know how, like I did not mention anywhere, but still I'll welcome all. Like if they're reaching me and they're searching me and they're liking the videos and all, I would appreciate your comments and your guidance too, in case if you find somewhere like improvements are required. Thank you, thanks for watching the channel. I'll be waiting for your responses. Thank you.